Who knew? Eyes gon' flourish getting over you. Things you said you'd do is overdue. Shine my chains tonight, I'm tryna look flashy. Queen don't mess with trash. Oh no, man, I got class. Fix my makeup, hair, and then I flash like that. Get they own. Boys can't pick a side. I'm that main chick.
You are now tuned in to recording live again on RadioDR.co.za.
Holding it down, city to city, titty to titty. It's your boy, reporting live again. And today, my special guest, the hardest working motherfucker in the city. Holding it down, your girl, shitting on all you hoes simultaneously. Ladies and gentlemen, my player, my partner, my sister, my loved one, Yashna. Oh my gosh.
I'm still on titty to titty. Is that what you said?
Yes, let it be known.
Oh my goodness, I'm here.
So you know it's real.
Yeah.
Bruh, you're like the hardest working motherfucker in the city.
I mean, I try.
You shitting on these hoes.
That's the vision. What did Nicki Minaj say something like that? What was it? Something about number 2. Nicki Minaj actually had her first album, mind you.
Oh, okay.
No. That's what she said, right? Sorry, I'm just trying to remember the lyrics. Yeah.
You're shitting on these hoes, bruh.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You
Probably.
see,
like
yeah,
for,
it's
like
possible.
you, Lunka Fabulous, Rhea Black,
Yeah.
showmanship, visuals, and okay, musically, obviously, you're all three very different, but like the showmanship, the quality of products. You shitting on these hoes, bruh. Yes, like I love seeing you do your thing, bruh.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people, I feel like don't get it. You know what I mean? Like the doper you are, the more you need to showcase your shit, especially visually. Because the kids don't give a fuck if you just released a song, bruh.
Yeah.
The kids don't give a fuck. The kids are on YouTube and Instagram, bruh, to be honest with you. That's how I would say 90% of how people discover new music is either on YouTube or on Instagram. So I'm glad that a woman gets that and is like waving the flag and shitting on all these bitches. Be like, there's no excuse.
Yeah, well, no one's going to do it for you, so I have to do it for myself. And especially because I'm independent, you have to put in like way more work. And obviously we can see the gap of what's needed. And yeah, there's just no room for excuses. So yeah, we don't make excuses. We just make it happen. That's like, if I had a motto, that might be it. No excuses.
And I feel like, do you have like a mentor or does this come naturally? Because the more I talk to people, the more I realize like I don't think they get it, bruh. Like how hard you have to work for this shit to crack. Like, do you have like a mentor? Do you have someone who gives you advice, or does it come like from you just noticing the situation and peeping game and be like, no, I need to do this?
So I think for me, Yashna, as a brand, as an artist, as a human with emotions and feelings, there's different layers to it. Like, obviously there's God. I would be nothing without God. So for me, like, it's very important for me to have that foundation of faith. That's number one. That's like my light.
Shout out to Jesus.
Yes, hashtag Jesus. Hashtag blessed, yeah. Yeah, I went to church this morning. Amen to that.
Amen to that.
Yeah. So definitely have to have God there. Obviously, at home, I'm grounded because of morals and values that have been instilled in me. It really helps in this industry to have that in place, because there's just so many entities coming at you. You have to, yes.
Don't sell your soul.
Praise to the Most High, yes. So, yeah, you just have to really be focused and stay grounded. So, yeah, definitely shout out to my mother for that.
Shout out to Mommy Dearest.
Yeah, in the music thing, I feel like it's no secret that T-Bag has been my mentor from day one. And, yeah, I can't deny that I pick Neo's brain almost every day, even through the dark times. So, yeah, it's very important to have a shoulder and to have people like motivating you and lifting up your spirits, because you can have really dark days. No matter how great it may look on social media, like, we're still pushing through. It's so easy to give up, and I think that's why most artists don't get to the point where they potentially can be, because they give in to the fears and the feelings and the emotions. So yeah, definitely major shout out to T-Bag, because when it comes to like, always kind of inquire with him with any decision that
just
I
chopping
make
it up,
musically, because he's been in the business and he's kind of he's in the industry and he's seen things and he knows it for what it is. So I definitely go to him. It's very important to have a mentor, and I don't have a manager right now. So having those people in place to kind of
managers are overrated. You don't need a manager. You need a CEO.
I was actually watching.
You need a boss.
I was watching what is it, like a panel discussion? Excuse me, and it was Russ that said, like, if you like if you have like 3,000 followers, you shouldn't even be focusing on having a manager right now. Focus on building your brand.
Focus on monetizing.
Yeah,
what are you selling?
And like do what you can until like you need a manager when you obviously can't handle it. But if you can handle it, don't make any excuses. And because some people want this thing of, I want an entourage, I want this person to do this, I don't want to do this. But if you have the potential to do it, rather keep your group minimalistic and just do as much as you can. And everyone in your group just needs to handle more roles. Basically, I think people kind of hype the fact of this whole entourage vibe.
For an entourage, if I were to divide everything that I do for myself into 9 to 5s, I would say get a publicist, a person who's gonna like schedulely or strategically promote your shit daily on each platform and magazines and blah blah blah. 2 is a business advisor who will help you monetize on your following.
This is
whether
a business,
whether it's clothing or what. It depends on what you like, right?
I feel like they don't tell you this when you do music. It's like, oh, music, you're an artist, but no one tells you like you're your own business. You need to push this. You need to put everything into
how
it.
to make money from you.
Yeah.
Judging off of naturally what you like.
Yeah.
Like I genuinely love fashion, so it makes sense for me to have a fashion label. I genuinely love food, so it makes sense for me to have my own restaurants or my own coffee, whatever. You know what I mean? That's what a business advisor would do strictly. What is publicist, business advisor? And then a creative director. Someone's going to tell you, it's okay, fine, we've done these visuals before, now let's do something different. Okay, no, we've done this look before, now let's do another look. Or we've done this before, let's do something else. I would feel like those are the three main things. If you could afford to pay 3 salaries, those 3 people right now, not even you being at a Grammy show, whatever, I'm talking about like right now.
Yeah.
Those are the 3 people. If you could afford to pay them, that's what I think.
If you could afford to pay them.
Because a manager will basically delegate between those 3 things. Just hire 3 people. Just hire 3 people, bruh. Pay them like once a week or whatever to do those 3 things for you. And when you start monetizing from your shit, depending on what you like, whether it's a clothing, I mean, you did this thing with the the Durag thingy.
Oh,
remember
for
when
the
you were
concert.
selling the Durag for 100 rand for tickets?
Yeah.
Now, what if, for example, you were selling Yashna hoodies for 450?
Yeah.
That hoodie for 450, if you purchase it from the Yashna.com store, you get a ticket to your next show and a CD. What's the latest CD that you just dropped? Is it Undone, your last project?
Yeah, that's my last project. Yeah.
Like, if someone buys this hoodie for 450 from Yashna.com, she gets a ticket to the next show or a ticket to the next online show and the on your latest CD.
Yeah.
Voila! In the bitch! You know what I mean? That's, I feel like...
Yeah, that's the strategies in place, honestly.
Yes,
yeah.
Bruh. I feel like that worked perfectly, bruh, for when you did that Durag thing. That was so genius.
To keep it 100.
That was so motherfucking genius.
Yeah, shout out to Joel.
Who's what?
Joel.
Who's Joel?
He's the mastermind behind it.
Talk to Joel, bro. You should highlight him.
Local artists, emerging artists, they should really connect with him because he has ideas, and most of what I've showcased, it's us putting our minds together and kind of just bringing the vision to life. So as long as you have a solid vision and your work ethic is straight, like together it can handle really dope stuff.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
But now I feel like it's time to cash in.
You know, that
time
part.
to cash in. Not just from like shows or add more value to shows if you want to do that, but like cash in different things. You know what I mean? From the clothing to the shows. So if you like, I see like you like makeup and stuff. Promote a makeup thing or make your own makeup or whatever, depending on how difficult it is. But like right now, it's time for that monetization. December's around the corner. Yeah, you need to have something selling daily by November, bruh, so that you can get that money in. You know what I mean? For real, bruh. For real. Like I feel like you have a lot of looming value that you haven't monetized fully yet, like consistently. Like now we have Yashna store selling whatever. that's a consistent monetizing of this looming value you have right now.
Yeah, don't get twisted. It's in the pipelines. It's like
Yeah.
in my mind. It's just a matter of going forth and doing
Yeah.
once I have the necessary resources. But it has been discussed, and not the makeup line. That's when
No,
I
like
have
whatever it is, yeah.
But I mean, yeah, with the merch, it's been discussed. It's just a matter of the perfect timing, because I'm a planner. Like nobody will catch me slipping. I plan everything, even though nothing always goes to plan, because God's plan is like ultimately the one. But yeah, I try to plan. Yeah, and I don't talk about it until it happens. That's just my thing. It's like I don't like jinxing shit, so I kind of keep it under the wraps. And when I know it's solid and it's about that time, then you'll hear me talk about it. Until then, my lips are sealed. Yeah.
Okay, well, I have like the 180 opposite of that. I talk about everything.
Yeah, no, not
I
I.
don't get out there.
Yeah.
And then, like, but like at the same time, I have like a very large mastermind of people that I talk to from different walks of life, from restaurateurs to business owners to like, I have a lot of people who I chop things up with daily and regularly. There's always something I'm getting paid from, whether it's directing videos for people or helping people start up their businesses or doing whatever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
To a point where I even established a company, you know what I mean? But like,
It's a lot.
monetization, bruh. Get this ball rolling. Shit on these hoes. Fully and thoroughly and
I feel
completely.
like that's the theme of this show.
Yes,
Shit on these hoes.
Ngakini.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's bring it back down to earth.
Right.
Okay, let the people know what's up. Where's Yashna from?
Yashna's from Durban.
Yeah.
Malvern in Durban.
Malvern.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not that close, but it's not that far either. It's
Where
like
did you
a
go to primary?
So I started grade 1, 2, and 3 at Our Lady of Natal, which is at the Bluff, but it ends at grade 3, so it does not make sense.
Shout out to my beautiful mixed African women in Bluff and Brighton Beach. I love y'all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a pretty diverse school.
Yeah.
And then because it ended at grade 3, I had to move, so I went to Malvern Primary after that. And then after Malvern Primary, I hopped over the fence and went to Queensborough Girls High. They're neighbors.
Shout out to all my Queensborough mommies. Oh my God, a whole lot of sweet memories. I appreciate y'all.
Jeez, where are you
Continue.
from? Where are you from?
Mlazi.
Oh,
But like I used to go to school at Seaview
Yeah.
and Brittonwood. So nje
Oh,
Seaview,
it's there.
Queensborough, Rosberg, Umbilo, nje, that
Yeah,
whole
there.
vibe. Nje, Woodhaven and Durban Girls and Durban Academy.
Basically all the girls' schools.
Nje, ladies, I love y'all. Continue.
Yeah, so yeah, that's where I
Yeah.
schooled, in Malvern basically. I matriculated at Queensborough Girls High. Then I went to, actually spent the first semester of university at PMB, University of Pietermaritzburg.
Yeah.
And then I kind of came back.
You're like,
to
fuck
Durban.
PMB.
I actually loved it. Like,
Yeah.
if I'm being completely honest, but the crazy thing is I was driving there every day. Like, I was traveling in the morning, coming back in the evening, every single day.
From Durban.
To PMB for like a whole semester, so a whole 6 months.
Oh, shit.
So eventually, like, my spirit was exhausted. But in that little time that I was there, see, I was studying, I was getting a degree in performance studies and drama. is
That
such a
explains the
solid
showmanship. Yeah.
Yeah, and then, like, there was obviously so many voices that were like, you should just come study at home, you should get a solid backup plan, and then eventually I caved, and which I don't have regrets in life because I feel like God's plan, but I feel like I did take the easy way out in that and gave up too easy. Because, like, there I'd built a name. Like, I was already in, like, plays in the drama department, and, I'd made a name for myself so quick, only to come back here, and then it kind of simmered away. And so I just focused on psychology, and I got a degree in psychology. Then got my honors in industrial psychology. Now I'm out here chilling with a degree. Yeah, getting a job is not easy, but also,
But you studied something dope, like psychology is so dope.
you need it in this
Especially
industry.
like, behavioral economics and understanding the behavior of the consumer and just understanding behavior of people in general, especially if you're selling something, is so crucial. Like it is so crucial. Psychology is so dope. So continue.
Yeah, so that's what I have my honors in industrial psych, and for now I've just come to a point where I feel like I'm just gonna invest in music completely right now.
Yeah.
And I'm just praying that it works out. But that's where I'm at mentally, because I did have a 9 to 5, and I recently got retrenched because of COVID. But I also felt like, as much as it was a tough pill to swallow, I feel like it was perfect timing for Yashna. Because I wasn't, as much as I've been pushing the music and doing all these things with a 9 to 5.
Now you have to literally think of how is this gonna pay me to a point where I can live.
Yeah, basically. And it's like I feel like I need to just
rise
walk
to
in
the
that
occasion.
right now. I just feel like the timing is right. So that's what I've been doing.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's me right now.
Do you think you'll ever pursue the acting thing if the opportunity presents
Is that a
itself?
question?
Yeah.
Like my dream is a Tyler Perry movie. Like I'm putting it out there. Like the universe, the Lord.
I was thinking more Quentin Tarantino.
Oh
Tyler
no, Tyler Perry is my thing. No, his movies hit my soul and my spirit. And if Audio Sims are here, we'd fight, but we're not gonna fight because Tyler Perry is the shit.
Tyler Perry's got his money all the way right. He's a fucking genius. That guy has his own like production studio.
It's just, it hits my soul, and I'm just like, he makes me cry, and he's just like taps into real life situations that men need to see and hear.
Men need to see. What the hell? What?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
it just opens the minds, you know, and just like I just love Tyler Perry. Like, yeah.
I'll fuck with Tyler, like the.
If you're gonna say that movie,
not necessarily with the contents.
That one movie that I don't like.
Temptation.
No, I love Temptation. Ugh,
what?
acrimony should be a swear word.
I don't even know acrimony.
Good for you, Jabulani.
But I fuck with Tyler for the business side of things, bruh. Like the fact that he's like the first black person to have his own like huge ass Hexer studio and stuff.
Like crazy.
Shout out to Tyler. I'ma holler at you. But yeah, bruh, I definitely think that you would kill that shit.
No,
but
trust. Like my monologue.
But like action.
No.
Shooting bitches up, chopping them up.
No.
Tomb Raider.
No, not action. Drama. Jeez.
Drama.
Yeah, in my high school monologue,
cry?
I did actually Tyler Perry's a monologue from the family reunion.
I don't know.
Like I brought the tears and the emotion, and just
gosh.
like I was here. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Shout out to Tyler.
Yeah, no, big inspiration. Like for me, with the acting side of things. So yes, definitely. Obviously, I'm gonna try and push that one.
So if I direct like a short movie, would you be happy to do it?
Yeah.
But my movie gonna be action. It's gonna be
I can tell your movie's gonna be action.
Blowing shit
He's
up,
out here Tomb Raider.
chopping bitches up, stabbing the bitch.
Shitting on these hoes.
Bitch, you ain't shit. Ah! Stab her, chop her up.
I'm not too sure about that. It's too violent for my life. But I mean, yeah.
But I feel like I love it when like, you know, sweet innocent women be chopping shit up. Like
well, there's always layers to people. So
yes.
Yeah.
I love putting someone in a situation where you wouldn't normally expect to see that person. I feel like it's such a refreshing thing. And I feel like I would love to put you in some like Quentin Tarantino, Kill Bill, Volume 3, Ngakini.
I try to avoid watching movies like that. It sounds very violent.
It is. I'm not gonna lie.
I like rom-coms and romantic comedies and
drama.
Dramas. Yeah. Nicholas Sparks is my favorite author. I have like a collection going on.
Are you serious? Daniel Steele.
No.
You don't like Daniel Steele?
No, it's kind of. I read her books. I read the books first and then I watch the movies.
Which other female? Barbara Taylor. Wait, who's the chick who wrote Me Before You?
Oh, I have. Forget the author, but I have those books and I read the books and I watched the movie. I'm actually waiting for the next. I'm waiting for Me After You because I read both. Sorry, I really love this type of books.
You know, women like it.
Like I love it. Especially Nicholas Sparks. He's my favorite author.
Oh wow, so you're about that rom-com life.
Yeah, I'm cheesy.
Leading lady. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Bruh.
That's why you hear my songs are quite moist these days.
Quite what?
Moist, like the.
Moist.
Yeah, they're
what a
mushy.
Word. Okay.
Well, how you perceive it, but yeah.
Okay. It's great.
Moving along.
But no, bro, I definitely want to see you in some movie shit. Oh my gosh, cause like, bro, the visuals are so dope. Like, oh my gosh, you have like, female-wise.
Yeah.
The most consistent with the videos. I think I have more videos than most other female artists in Durban.
That's a vision. That's like the vision.
Like the most visuals than all of them. Like right now.
2020, I said 2020 needs to be the year of visuals. I know everyone was like 2020 vision. I was like, no, year of visuals. I just want videos on videos. Yeah, and there's more coming. I'm just like trying to just figure it out, but like, yeah, it's in the pipeline.
Yeah.
Don't want to speak too soon, but it's coming. It's coming. Another one.
Some behind the scenes visuals too, bro. Like the behind the scenes context and visuals like these give people like another perception of you, a more authentic perception of you. That's how people fall in love with you. Whereas the visuals are they're dope, but they're very staged. Whereas situations like these, we can like relax and be like, oh man, just got a great sense of humor, he's kind of funny, blah blah blah,
Yeah.
which is great. That's another context when like you blow up even further, and then you develop something called a super fan. A super fan is like someone who just discovered Yashna today, and she's going through all of her projects, and she's like, oh my gosh, the music isn't enough. She watches all the videos. Oh my gosh, the music videos aren't enough. I
I
want to
claim
like
all these people in
be
Jesus'
with
name.
her. So they watched like the interviews and stuff, and so yeah, bruh, I really want to see more of you
It's
like
coming.
that.
It's
You know
coming.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Shit
And
on
yeah,
these
what
hoes.
the thing
Have
is,
no mercy on them.
yeah, should
Crack
be
that
so
whip
definitely.
fully, completely.
Yeah.
Continue.
Okay. So yeah, with the previous videos, it was kind of like everything happened so quick. So the BTS wasn't as proper as I would have liked it to be. So definitely going forward, we'll focus on doing a BTS video where they actually follow the process.
Yeah, bruh.
Yeah, so I can drop that, but it will still come after the video because you know me, I don't like
You don't
putting it out. When then the video drops, you will know the video is here, and then the BTS will come through slightly after.
Okay.
I don't like to give too much away too soon, you know. Because if I watch like a young trailer, I can already deduce, okay, I see what it is. It gives too much away.
Oh,
So-
you watched the trailer for Tenet, but the movie still fucked you up, huh?
Which one? What movie?
Tenet.
What movie is that?
T-E-N-E-T.
Did I watch that movie?
Christopher Nolan, John David Washington.
You see,
Denzel's
if you're
baby.
describing
Isn't John David Washington?
if you're describing an
baby?
action movie,
Yeah.
chances are I did not watch it.
Oh my gosh, are you that serious?
I'm very
about the
picky with
rom-com?
action. Like I'm very picky. Like it has to have like my favorite actors for me to like watch it. Maybe Idris
Who's your
Elba
favorite
or
actors?
like
Robert Pattinson.
no. Back when I liked Twilight, I did go through a Twilight phase. I have all the books.
Wow.
Books are better than the movie. But yeah, I was Team Edward, unfortunately. Not unfortunately, because when I look back, I feel like I was so lame. My 16th birthday banner had Robert Pattinson's face on it. Yeah, I was in Twilight, like I was. I knew the words of the movie. Yeah.
Oh no, that's
Yeah,
deeper.
yeah, no.
That's
I
deeper
watched
than
it a
was
lot.
expecting. That's deeper than I thought.
Yeah, that bug caught me, the Twilight bug. I did invest myself into that whole phase. But what was I talking about?
Okay, let's rewind.
Oh,
a little bit.
favorite actors. Definitely Tyler Perry in all forms, Medea and Tyler Perry.
Himself as
Yeah.
another person.
Idris Elba and yeah, I can't.
Did you watch him playing Mandela?
I did.
Why do all American people think that African people talk like this? What? Did you watch that shit?
Nobody handled his accent was pretty. He was pretty good. Cause like I've seen a lot of.
South Africa from oppression.
No, but he's dope. He handled. I watched some movies where I'm just like, why did they have to cast an American if like they could have cast a South African that could have handled it with more authenticity?
Yeah,
but he
I
actually
mean,
handled his walk, his everything. He really got into the character, which is dope. Yeah,
Idris is the shit, bruh.
yeah.
He's doing his thing.
I watched him play a thug, play like a romantic.
He's a
guy,
European guy.
play- Like I didn't know
Playing a
he
South
was from
African
there.
guy.
No,
He's so good.
But I watched
Yeah,
Daddy's
bruh.
Girls. What is it? Daddy's
don't
Little
know,
Girls.
yeah.
It's a Tyler Perry movie. Yeah.
Okay.
And I was like, yo, this guy is such a thug. And like, his American accent is perfect. And then one
Those
time I
British-
heard him
those
speaking a British
British
accent. I'm
accents
like,
don't
he
fuck
shouldn't
around.
act like a British actor. And when I realized he's actually, I was like, I don't like that accent on him. He's better American. But yeah,
He's that good, bro.
he's that good. Like,
The
I
British
believe
accents
he's
are the
American.
shit.
But he really
like,
kills the South African.
Anyway,
Anyway,
back to
back to
you.
me.
Enough about Idris.
Forget about Idris
When
Elba.
did you start singing though? Or matter of fact, when did you release your first project?
2018? Was it 2018? 2018.
2018.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 2018. Yeah, it was 2018. Faces of My Broken Heart.
That was your first project. First project. Oh shit.
Yeah, if you think about it, things kind of like moved pretty quick.
Oh, when you were
Consider
doing
was my
that
first.
like that Afrobeat joint that I,
I
did for
did,
you. Woo!
oh, yes.
We want to hear more Afrobeat from you.
You did tables, actually.
What?
You produced tables.
I forgot that one.
Because I'm like, what Afrobeat are you talking about? No, you produced tables off of Faces of My Broken Heart. Imagine.
But I
With
like
Loki.
the Afrobeat. Oh yeah.
That was one of the faves of the project,
I
mind
forgot
you,
the name
till
of
today.
it, but I remember it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I like that Afrobeat thing.
Yeah, I need to get on those.
I might
beats.
direct a video for that. Get like 80 African women running around.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway. So from Faces of My Broken Heart,
Mm-hmm.
2018, 2 years deep in the game. shitting on these hoes thoroughly. I just saw you did that thing, opening up for that artist. What
Master KG.
Master
Oh my
KG.
God. Yeah.
You killed that shit. It was dope.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, it's so lovely.
That was pretty mind blowing. The fact
Yeah.
that I actually won. Yeah. Everything just happened so fast. So
That's good.
yeah, he's pretty humble as well.
That's God's plan. Shout out to Jesus. We love you.
I mean, like, to think, like, I opened up for, like, probably the biggest act in South Africa right now. It kind of blows my mind.
Yeah,
It's
bruh.
pretty dope.
Dude.
Shout out to Jesus, yeah.
Shout out to Jesus. Wouldn't it be dope if like Black Coffee just hollers at you?
Duh.
It's like, hey girl, come on. I'm gonna fly you up to Ibiza.
Man, Corona times now, I don't think I want to fly just yet, like, across borders. But, yeah, I can lay something and email it to him.
Yeah.
But, yeah, he's dope.
Are you working on any new projects right now? Or are you still just shooting on them with the visuals?
So, the plan is to drop visuals and a single. Oh, you see, you made me give it away on one day.
Oh,
That's the
it
first
doesn't
day. I
hurt, bro.
forgot that
Like,
I was recording.
right now.
So, yeah,
Yeah.
that's the vibe. It's to come soon.
Yeah. More visuals.
Definitely. Like,
Yeah.
I just want more visuals. Like, the thing is, with Undone, I feel like it was such a proper, solid project.
You don't want to waste it.
I didn't want to waste it, but at the same time, with that being a solid project, the fact is I'm constantly making music and like it's piling, and now there's a song that's sitting there that I really want to release. So
Oh, that new shit.
so it's new. It's not on the project. You would have seen on Instagram. I did drop a snippet. So that's my vision. It was supposed to be a song from Undone, but then I kind of changed it according to the feeling that I'm feeling. So yeah, we're gonna go with a new song, and it's very pop. So it's not what people normally expect from me, because I'm normally with the. Actually, no, I always do different genre songs. So
Mostly trap, I think. I feel like Winning was that breakthrough
Winning was
thing.
trap, hip hop trap.
Mm.
Yeah, but I think my videos were mainly like the hip hop trap vibes, but
I
also
want to take it to Africa. Ooh, I want to do an Afrobeat video for you so badly. Oh my gosh, more Afrobeat. Take him to Africa.
yeah.
Come
like,
on,
Black
bring it
is
back to the
king.
jungle. Wakanda
Black is
forever.
king. Black
Then
is.
vibranium. Like I don't like. You
I'm
know?
obsessed with Black is King songs right now.
Yes.
It's like what I listen to all the time.
Yes, bro. We need to get you on that Afrobeat. Oh my gosh, more. I'm so in love with. I'm on an Afrobeat kick right now.
Yeah.
for the longest time ever. It's doing the most for me. As
I actually did a song that was very Afrobeatish. The Energy song.
More,
That was Afrobeats, right? Yeah.
more, bruh. More.
I wish we could have done visuals for that, but that didn't really pan out because it technically wasn't my song.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure like I've
Don't
done
worry, bro.
some
I'm gonna do an
Afrobeat. We
Afrobeat
have, like,
video. I'm gonna do an Afrobeat video for you, bro. I'm in that zone right now. December's coming. I need
December's
all my African mommies to come in that formation. Oh my gosh, I just saw what's this thing? Trap girls thingy. Those dancers
Yeah.
that you work with. Yeah.
Trap Girls Inc.
How's the relationship with that? Like, cause the first time I saw them was with you. Did you start that, or they were there already and you just hollered at them, or what?
So when I had met Tion, Trap Girls
Tion?
wasn't born. She's like the head of Trap Girls Inc.
Yo.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Tion Lam. So when because I've been wanting to work with her, and then I managed to get to her through Nontle. They're both on BBSR, the two dancers.
What is
So,
BBSR?
my song?
Okay.
Bands.
Woo.
That one.
Where you're like just squatting like that, like bah, and the visual like okay, but then
Squatting.
and continue.
Hashtag shitting on these hoes.
Shitting on these hoes. Continue.
Yeah. So I had them both in the video. At that point, Trap Girls wasn't born yet, because
Because that's what I'm saying. Like I saw them on your video, then all of a sudden, voila.
So I think obviously she had girls that kind of share the same sentiments as her, because it was during lockdown. I think this is where it started. During lockdown, there was this Don't Rush challenge. What is that song? Who sings that song? Don't Rush. Okay, I don't know.
During lockdown, I was like,
Anyway, there was like 101 challenges, and I was partaking in all the challenges. I did a lot of challenges. So this was one of it. And she hit me up. She's like, "Yo, Yash, I'm doing this Don't Rush challenge. Please, can you take part in it?" So basically, it's like you have no makeup, and then you take your brush and you put it in front of the camera, and then boom, you got makeup.
okay.
So it's like a before and after type vibe. So she did it with like a couple girls. She created this group, and she did this with like a couple of girls. And when she put the video together with all these pretty girls, I guess it got a lot of traction, and then she realized she was onto something.
Monetize on this,
Yeah, so she definitely created like a whole Instagram page, and like, it's been growing and building since then. She's been getting a lot of gigs with music videos and stuff.
Yes.
There's a video actually we did recently with a guy named Astro called Super Soca, and I got them to do that as well, and they killed it. So yeah, so she's onto something. I remember when I used to watch, because I told her, I was like, a couple of years ago on the E channel on DSTV, there was a show called Candy Girls.
Yeah.
And basically, there was this lady that would manage all these models and place them in music videos. If artists needed a date on the red carpet, she'd plug them with these models. So I feel like that's basically
I might do something like that.
That's kind of like
continue.
that's kind of like the vibe of Trap Girl. So she's onto something, because I don't think anyone else in Durban is doing that.
No one is actually.
And like the girls are
whatsoever.
fire, like the ones that she's with right now. So
She needs to get more of them, because I think there's like 3. I think
no, there's more.
there's more.
Yeah, she just showcases a few at a time, but there's like a lot of girls.
Yeah, she needs to showcase more of them big girls.
Yeah,
And
they're
you know,
pretty.
When you got them size 32, size 34 mommies up in there, I'm gonna slide up in there. But anyway,
Yeah,
Trap
I'm sure
Girls,
she'll get that.
Yes, continue.
Yeah, but yeah,
I
She's
love
doing
what's
something.
going on in Durban right now. This industry is pretty much like building itself almost organically, where it's
Yeah.
like almost supply and demand,
Yeah,
which is dope.
it's dope that there's a lot of people actually putting in the time and effort into
Actually,
what
like
they're passionate about.
architecturing, and the fact that we have now like a place to go to just to get women for videos is dope.
Yeah,
You know, because like the process of just collecting girls one at a time, one by one.
and it's more
for your video.
professional. It's not like, oh, you have to
bruh.
hit up this girl or slide in her
And
DMs.
this
It's
girl
not
and this-
unprofessional.
No, just call up
Like
on
here,
shit
it's like they're
yo,
coming to render a service, like to be in your video,
I
to
just need,
add
like, 5
aesthetic
girls,
to your video,
whatever. Yeah.
and then they do
Yeah.
their job. They get paid, they bounce.
Shout out to what's her name again?
Tion.
Shout out to Tion. I'ma have her on the show. Got in. Yes. But anyway, Yashna, let the people know where they can find you, like on the socials, you know, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, like, you know, where can the people highlight you at?
So I'm basically everywhere at Yashna_INT, at YASHNA_INT, INT for international, by the way. So yeah, everywhere at Yashna_INT, everywhere except Facebook, but I'm gonna get there soon. I'm just not the biggest fan, but no shade to Facebook. You know, technically, you could say I have it because when I open my WhatsApp, it says from Facebook. When I open my Instagram, Facebook. So technically, I have Facebook, but I don't have Facebook, if you know what I mean. So yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your girl, the lovely, the incomparable, the
Shitting on these
hardest-working
hoes, you know.
motherfucker in the game. Like, regardless of women or men, the hardest working motherfucker in the game. Let it be known.
Shout
your girl, Yashna.
Thank you guys for having me.
Ngakini.
Hashtag deeply rooted.
Shout out to the CEO. Nigga, roll up a blunt. Shout out to the CEO, CeeLo, deeply rooted. Hold up, I just want to send a special shout out to Bonko Meshen. This is an important part of the show. Shout out to Bonko Meshen. Shout out to Wonka my ex. Shout out to Bonko Koko. I appreciate it. Ngakini.
And happy belated birthday, JB.
Oh yeah, it was my birthday.
I meant to say that. I said on Instagram. Yesterday, I didn't even know you didn't say anything. So happy belated birthday.
I'd forgotten this one. I was in the zone. I was in
my
host
goodness.
mode. But yeah, reporting live again. It's my birthday.
Birthday
October
month.
wonke. OVO. I'm gonna be living life the whole month. Again, thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you for
More
having
chat.
me. Shout out.
You are now tuned in to recording live again on RadioDR.co.za.